Meaning of dysphoric.
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 Dysphoric. The term dysphoric refers to a state of unease or dissatisfaction. People who are feeling dysphoric may experience a range of symptoms, including feelings of sadness, anxiety, irritability, restlessness, and difficulty sleeping or concentrating. Dysphoria can also be associated with a variety of mental health conditions, such as depression, anxiety disorders, and bipolar disorder. The resulting emotional discomfort can be quite distressing, and individuals experiencing dysphoria may require professional support or treatment to manage their symptoms effectively and improve their overall well-being.